world's about to change when hummingbirds are singing in the rain.